Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to either turn on or off typing insights in Windows 10. This is basically an artificial intelligence application that's built into Windows that will look and see how many times you've typed in a word, and it'll help autofill the word basically before you finish typing it. So if you want to turn this ability on or off, this tutorial will be for you. And we're going to go start by opening up the start menu, just off clicking the start button one time. Type in settings into the start menu, or alternatively you can go ahead and left click on the gear icon on the left side. Wherever you hover over it should say settings. You want to go ahead and left click on that one time. You want to go and left click on the devices tile. On the left side, you want to left click on where it says typing, and then where it says how AI has helped you, you want to left click on typing insights. At this point you can turn it on or off just through this top oval. So if you want to turn it off, just toggle it to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time. Turn it on, just toggle it one more time to set it to the on position. And once you're done with that, you should be able to close out of here, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.